Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you how to make an admin dashboard in WordPress. Let's dive right in. Once you're on the WordPress dashboard, go to the plugins and click on the Add New Plugin option. Search for the Admin Menu Editor plugin to make your admin dashboard. Once you find it, click on the Install button. When the installation process is complete, click on the Activate button to activate this plugin in WordPress. Navigate to the Settings option and click on the Menu Editor option from the submenu. Here, you can easily edit your admin dashboard according to your needs. For example, I will change my dashboard name. So, I am going to click on the downward arrow next to the dashboard and change the dashboard name to Admin. Then click on Save Changes. You'll see the dashboard name change to Admin. You can also change the names of menus like Posts, Media, Pages, Comments, etc., as you wish. You can also set the position of the menus by clicking and dragging. And that's it. You can easily make your admin dashboard in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more YouTube tutorials. Thanks for watching.